Today we are taking delivery of what could be, or what I consider to be, one of the most important parts to the Red Evo 8 build. Let me go ahead and remove the GG out of the way because this should be a pretty big box. I'm super excited for this one. And now we just wait.
One eternity later.
Alrighty, the time has come. Hopefully you guys can hear me. I'm connected to the mic. Let's go ahead and open this one. I believe this is gonna be one of the most important parts to this build, and I just can't wait to check how everything came out. Make sure that everything that I receive is good. So let's get into it. Here it is, my very own Extreme Turbo System Turbo Kit Precision Turbo 6266. I cannot believe this. Like, here it is, 6266 Extreme ETS Turbo Systems Turbo Kit for the Red Evo 8. Man, I don't even know what to say, but like, I don't want to get emotional. It's just freaking turbo, but it's like little things like this is exactly what I dreamt of for so long when I was little. I always go back to this, playing Need for Speed and building your own car. And I imagined this in Need for Speed, like, you know, upgrade your turbo system. And when I was a little kid, I was like, damn, it would be so cool to be able to do that in real life. And here I am in real life. I don't know, it's super weird. I get it. It's just a turbo kit, but it's so emotional to me. I don't know why. To be able to get this for my own build, I don't know. I'm just super grateful, and I don't take none of this for granted. Like, I literally work my ass off to be able to buy parts like this. So I'm just speechless. But anyways, where do I start? So here it is, 6266. As I said, Gen 2 ball bearing turbo with their ETS manifold twin scroll. It's not face forward, so I'm not gonna run a half radiator or anything like that. It's like a stock placement manifold, but a twin scroll. True, I think it's a 3-inch. I forgot what the actual measurements is of the O2 housing, and an actual downpipe V-band downpipe, which is freaking awesome. I wish, honestly, this connection right here was B-band. Makes everything so much easier, but honestly, this came out insane quality. Look at the welds of just everything, and I hope you guys can see that. Like, I don't know if the camera does it justice, but all of this stuff is custom made in-house by ETS. This is made to order, so when you place your order, they make all of this for you, and just the quality itself speaks for itself with every single weld. I hope this is focusing on every single piece, and honestly great companies as well. Vibrant, ETS, Precision Turbo, Tile. I opted for the Tile wastegates, and actually let me cover exactly why I'm going with this turbo. I don't know if a lot of you guys might have seen that video, but this is a quick, let me put the camera down, quick story time. I went to Orlando to tune my Graphic Gray Evo one time, and I got in Tony's car, which is the black Evo that you guys have seen on my channel a couple of times. And let me see if I can set this camera right, because I feel like I'm shaking. Hopefully you guys can see me there. Kind of sideways, but whatever. I went to Orlando and I got on Tony's car. I was there to tune my car. Short story short, I got in the car, and what's rest is history. After I got into that, it was about at 760, 780, because he wasn't on 1R ethanol at the time and he wasn't pushing max boost. I got in that car, and after that story, which I'll probably play a clip here, you can see it in my face that I was like, holy shit, this is an amazing street car. The fact that it's a turn to key car that you could just turn on, weekend warrior, go to car meets, drive on the expressway, go out with friends, 4-door car. And I was like, holy shit, like it changed my mindset of, because I felt like after 500 horsepower, a car was basically undrivable. Like, you know, it will start giving you issues. And I just don't want to go through that. Like, I wanted a car that I could take to the track whenever I wanted to, be able to drive the car. And once I saw that, it changed my perspective completely on the 4G63 motor, and specifically this turbo, the 6266 that he was currently running at that time. And I know that he's still running right now. I was like, holy shit, like one day I'm gonna build a car with this turbo and I'm gonna make more or less around the same power, 800 horsepower, because this feels insanely fast and it's a street car, which just blows my mind. And I know that a lot of people are doing it nowadays, but it's the fact that I want to do it. Like, this is my build and I want to do this, and I want to drive the car and I want to enjoy it for me, not for anybody else. And that's the story behind me getting this turbo. After that day, after that face I made, which I still have it pictured in my head. I remember holding the camera because I didn't even have a GoPro. It was just a mess. That video was like made impromptu, no setup or anything. And after that reaction I had, I was like, I have to build an Evo that makes this amount of power and I'm able to drive it on the weekends and just try to make it as clean as possible. So that's the short story if you guys are interested in why I'm running this turbo. I'm pretty sure there are better setups, better turbos. There's so many things that have improved overall. But it's just, I don't know. I really like the way I felt when I got in that car, and I really like the way this turbo spooled, how quick it spooled. So that's a short story. But so let me show you guys real quick what comes in the turbo kit. This is the ETS twin scroll turbo kit stock placement, as you guys can see. You guys see everything: turbo, exhaust manifold, O2 housing, wastegates, downpipe, lower intercooler pipe, all the oil feed lines. Everything comes straight out of that box right there, which was heavy, and you can install this in honestly a couple of hours. So that's how easy and convenient this turbo kit is, and that's honestly why I went for it. It's a turbo kit that has been proven with over 1,000 Evos, 100%. And it's something that I know it's gonna work. It's gonna be something I enjoy. And I just honestly can't wait to install this. Unfortunately, it is gonna be a while till this turbo kit is installed. Like I said, I'm gonna focus with everything that's brakes, suspension, and everything on the car first. I'm gonna install the wheels, the TEs. I'm going to do coilovers. I'm gonna do everything exterior wise. And then later down the road, we will get actually into the engine build. But here it is. 6266, man. This is crazy. This is crazy. I don't know what to say. I'm speechless. Grateful to be able to get this turbo kit. But anyways, I'm gonna end it there. Quick unboxing video. I hope you guys enjoyed. We're gonna continue with the Evo build episodes. It's gonna be non-stop, hopefully from here on out. I'm gonna keep ordering parts as we go. But hopefully you guys enjoyed this. If you guys have any questions whatsoever, make sure to leave them down in the comments. I'll try to answer all the comments. And like always, consider subscribing if you're into Evos, entertainment, car meets, education, anything like that is going to be here in this channel. So definitely consider subscribing. I'll see you guys on the next one. Like always, keep grinding, stay safe, and take care.